got caught right here. I'm trying to get creative here. Well, my creativity failed me, so I went ahead and pulled the door off.
By the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work, that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the cone.
So I have a Volkswagen here. This one gets a new door skin, which I already have on there, and then it gets a quarter panel repair. It got caught right here, messed the quarter panel all up. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start the metal work and start straightening out the metal on this quarter panel. This is gonna be the worst spot, just getting the sharp point out right here, but it should come out good. So I'm gonna dive into this one. So I'm gonna go ahead, I got a welded tab right on the edge here to bring that out. I kind of figured I would have to, but I just wanted to see how it would move with the dent puller. Then I'm gonna get creative here to pull on this, see if this will work. Well, I wasn't getting the right leverage, so I'm trying to get creative here, but I might just have to lift off the door if this doesn't work. Well, my creativity failed me, so I went ahead and pulled the door off so I could use my slide hammer. Alright, I got this quarter panel all worked out. The metal came out very nice. All my gaps look good. So I'm going to actually send this one over to Eric to do the fill work on it, and I'm going to dive into the next one. I have another quarter panel repair here. This one is on a Chevy Malibu. Damage right there, and also a little bit down low right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start working this metal out and get this one straightened out as well. So I got the metal work all worked out on this quarter panel. The bumper cover fits very nicely. So this one's ready for fill.